Hasbro's coming from you. Crap. 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 Crap! Hasbro's coming for me. Guys, I think I should be safe. Anyways, let's get into the video. Alright guys, today we're going to be showing off the Glowshot Nerf pistol with the Scravenger. So, these two blasters right here, this is a Glow one-shot smart AR pistol jolt reskin. So you put in one dart right here, and you pull this part back, fire. And this right here makes it glow with the lights right there, there. Yeah, two lights on this blaster. This is a lever, or lever, however you want to pronounce it. Lever action mag-fed blaster that is in the line of the OGs would remember, but it's the Zombie Strike series. I have a lot of blasters for that. We're going to take a look at two more guns as well today, but that will be shown in a minute. And it's not that gun over there. That'll be for later because, why not? I'll just do that too. So let's get into it. First, starting off, we have this. Oh, and also the Scravenger comes with this, these two magazines right here, and I am pretty sure it also comes with this sight right here. Or you can put extra mag right here, of course. Still comes with the Zombie Strike darts, but we're just gonna shoot whatever. I mean, first we're gonna shoot garbage elite darts, and also no in-strike barrel lug. Why did it look like you just shot two darts? You can do like how they did in the old days, gather darts that you got from before. Miss. Lights off. things with this blaster, you have to hold the trigger on there down in order for it to stay on. So it's not really that good of a blaster, but it has a comfy grip, fits small hands pretty well, but it's kind of cramped, if you know what I mean. It's pretty darn cramped. Now, onto the Scravenger. It's so big, it doesn't fit in the frame fully. Time to load it. We're gonna do 6-round mag first. Okay, sorry about that. Scravenger right here, 6-round mag. Also, a little side note, this has built-in Slamfire Select Fire. So we're going to be using that too, while tactically reloading with the sight mag on it. That does it for the Scravenger. I forgot where the stock and sight for it was, because it has a barrel, not sight. This is the sight right here. It has a stock and a barrel, but I don't know where it went. Also, if you put a stock on it, you might think you put it on normally, but you actually put it on upside down like this. Makes it like 10 times bigger. And we also shot 24 rounds there too. Now we're going to be shooting this tactical gun. Also features slam fire. all you have to do is just hold down the barrel while continuously pulling this back. Comes with a stock and a barrel, but you have to buy that separately, I think. So, time to shoot this. What? There you go, shot now. Now shooting in Slam Fighter. If you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. I accidentally ended the video, and this is what it looks like for you to be a gun. Hold on a second, here we go. Peace out.